In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add labels to GitHub pull requests based on changed files. This walkthrough uses GitHub Actions so that any new pull request gets the right labels the moment certain files are touched. It's great for triage, routing reviews, and keeping your backlog organized without manual effort. Start in the GitHub repository where you want this automation. At the top of the repo, open the Actions tab. If Actions aren't set up yet, GitHub will show a gallery of starter workflows. Choose New Workflow to browse available templates, then select Choose a workflow to open the full list. In the categories on the left, open Automation to narrow things down. Look for the labeler workflow provided by GitHub Actions. You'll see the template titled Labels Pull Requests Based on the Files Changed, authored by GitHub Actions. Open that template, then click Configure. If you see another Configure prompt, go ahead and confirm again. This loads a ready-to-use YAML workflow that GitHub proposes saving to .github workflows label.yml in your repository. Before committing, take a moment to preview the file so you understand what it does. Then switch to Edit so you can tailor it. The key section is the configuration that maps label names to file path patterns. For example, you might point a front-end label to files under a folder for your UI, or a documentation label to Markdown files. Use simple glob patterns to describe the paths you care about. Keep the structure that's provided. You're just adjusting the label names and the lists of paths that should trigger each one. If your repository uses a custom default branch or different folders, update the paths accordingly. Once you're comfortable with the mappings, confirm that the file name is .github/workflows label YML and that you're committing to the correct branch. Add a clear commit message so teammates know what this workflow does, then create the new workflow file. From now on, whenever someone opens or updates a pull request, GitHub Actions will run this workflow and add labels automatically based on the files that changed. If labels aren't being applied as expected, revisit the YAML and double-check your path patterns and label names. Keep labels consistent with the ones that already exist in your repository to avoid creating duplicates, and consider starting with a few high-impact labels, then expanding